Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I'll make another video to show you how to remove the side fairing panel of the BMW 400GT. I tried it first and it's not a big deal, it's an easy work. If you ever need to add some more coolant on the coolant tank, it's not that much of a difficult work. I'll show you how to take apart the side panel, the fairing. Okay, this being said, let's start to work.
As I said, there is the coolant tank. There are two marks, the upper and the lower mark, and you need to have the coolant somewhere in between. I already added some coolant in the tank because my coolant was below the lower level. I had some work on the dealer, so it seems that I needed to add more coolant, so I didn't want to make an appointment to go to the dealer for such an easy job. I've done it myself, so it's not difficult. Okay, I'll show you what screws you have to undo in order to take apart the fairing. I already put the fairing apart, but in order to show you guys what screws you have to undo, first you have to take away these two screws where the battery is located. Then you just pry it off, easy, and take this part off. And then you will have one more screw right here, okay, on the side. You'll have one more screw right here, and also you have another screw here. You need to open the pocket, the compartment on the scoot on the left side, and you have a screw right here. You have to undo this screw as well. There is also one more screw which it goes right here where the front wheel is. It's the first screw that you have to take off, and you actually need the Torx for all the screws. It's Torx number T25. With this T25 you'll be able to open all the screws. Now as soon as you have the screws off, the panel will be fitted this right here. So you start to pry off right here, just pull slowly, and then you go underneath and you start to pull slowly. There are some clamps that hold this panel. Just go all the way around, just pull, and you have here on top as well. Slowly just move up and down and it should come off. So as soon as you pull slowly from all around the fairing, starting with the lower, and you go around, then here up as well, you just pull slowly and move, and you take the fairing away. And this is how you can refill the coolant tank. In order for you guys to know where the clamps are situated, this is the lower part, this is the part that goes to the battery, and then as you can see, you just need to pry off slowly. It's an easy job, it's not difficult at all, and you can do work by yourself on your scoot. It's very easy, guys. After you refill the coolant tank, just make sure you put everything back together, and when you feed the fairing, when you put back the fairing, there is a little knob right here. There is a little knob that will fit in the fairing right here. So it's more like an alignment, so you make sure you align it properly. After you put the plastic bag back, just give it some punches, slowly all around, to make sure all the clamps are in. Now just don't forget to put the screw right here. Don't forget to put the screw right here back in the glove box, and then don't forget also to put the screw right here on the lowering side. Then make sure you put the cover back of the battery. Then you have also 2 screws left and right, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and whenever you have a work to do, just do it, don't be afraid. Okay, so now everything is put back together. Fairings are just the way they're supposed to be. Work is done. Everything looks great. Level of coolant looks great. Scoot is clean, ready just to take another ride. Also, I have an advice for you. This expansion of side stand, it's very useful, especially in summertime when the asphalt is very hot, and if you park your scooter on the side stand, it might be in danger to fall aside due to the small support of the side stand. It will go deep in the asphalt. So in order to avoid that, I just attached a personalized side stand support in order to have it wider, so we don't go deep inside the asphalt. This is what I recommend you guys. It doesn't matter if it's a scooter or a motorcycle, you should put this add-on, which is very helpful. Alright guys, this being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and God bless you and ride safe.